Hi guys, it is me Hayley from HeyAb1213. Today I'm going to show you a multiplication method called Italian lattice. You start off with a square. You divide it into however many squares you like depending on what you're multiplying. You draw a multiplication symbol up here and write down any numbers you want to multiply on these two edges, not those two at all, as those are for your answer. You're going to split these diagonally down squares just like I have. So the way you figure out the answer is you do, these are the tens, these are the units. Tens, units, tens, units, 10 units. So 2 times 2 equals 4, which has 0 tens and 4 units. 2 times 7 equals 14, which is 1 tens, 1 in the tens column, and 4 in the units column. And 3 times 2 is 0 tens and 6 units. And 7 times 3 equals 21, which is 2 tens and 1 in the units. How you figure out the more of the answer is you have to figure out the diagonals. So these are the diagonals. This is a diagonal, that's a diagonal, that's a diagonal, and that's a diagonal. So in this diagonal there's only 6 altogether. This diagonal there's 1 plus 0 plus 4, which is 5. In this diagonal there's 2 plus 4 plus 0, which equals 6. And in this diagonal there is 1 by itself, which equals 1. So then, to be more exact, you can write 72 times 23 equals 1,656. The answer is along this edge, and the problem is along that edge. If you have bigger numbers that you need to multiply, such as 2,617 times 716, what you do is you just draw a bigger shape. So this side needs to be enough for in the hundreds, which is a 3-digit number. Oops, sorry, this is wonky. And then this needs to be divided by 4 to fit in thousands. So like that. And then, oops, sorry about this. So then you put the multiplication symbol there, the 716 along there, the 2,617 along there. You do the same diagonals. You go diagonal, 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 and diagonal. And you do the exact same method for these. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and hopefully it can help you with your maths. Thanks for watching. Please do a thumbs up. Please subscribe. And if you would like, you can turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.